Hi, in this video, I'm going to share with you how to use uh, MergeQuery and AppendQuery to achieve a final result of this. Right. So let's begin. Right. So first, I convert all this into a Excel table. Then I'd also turn this into a query. So you can see that everyone is a query, and we just what is it? So we'll just delete some of the query first. And so I have the actual, right? Actual recorded the money balance, right? And there's a table here. And I also have the budget. Also create as connections. And then we have this as well, right? Also a connections. So now I have this, finally I have this, right? But now I want to go through this step again, right? So I'm going to delete this again. And wait a minute. It's not true, right? So I have this actual one, right? Yeah, I can just delete this. So I have these three files here, right? Next is that. Now, if you take a look at this closer, right? The budgeted has revenue um, lines, but in the actuals, right, they have separate into three types. Now that can be do a mapping by using this chart of accounts, right? So let's say for the revenue lines, right, you can see that there can be three types. For the budgeted, it is not mentioned here. So we can actually do mapping. So how do we call the mapping, right? It used to use VLOOKUP, but now we use all you need is just mm, let's see, right? They are just double click on these. So basically, I have this, right, and I want to create a merge query, and I want to do a mapping basically, right? So a merge query as a new one, right? And then I use the chart of account, and the way I do that is that I based on the account, with this account here, right? So I click OK, and then on the chart account I click on this, and I would just want to look at account group, right? Probably I want to report sign as well if I want to, right? Let's just click OK. Well, they are right. I have the actuals, right? Actual now creating a group, and now what I do is that I want to remove this, and for this, right, I want to create a name that's exactly with this account, right? So I'm just changing that to account. Okay, and this is account, and this is account. Okay, so that's the merge one. So what I do is I will go to append. I want to append the budget into this actual, right? So but before that, I want to create another column, right? So I go to add column, a custom column, and I just type it as scenario, and I want to type it as actual. Click OK. So I have a very similar item with this, right? So now I can go back to append the query into this. Yes, I want to append budget into this. So I go for budget, append actuals, right? Append budget. Click OK. So after append, I have a budget as well, right? And that is how I use MergeQuery and this, right? Okay, so then I can just loading this into a new table. Yeah, that's it, right? And you can use a query, right? Now, that's it. Thanks for watching.